friends, welcome back, and I'm sure you all are doing great as always. Fantastic, welcome back. So today's topic is all about the continuation of last week topic. Last week, what was the topic? Let me check your memory. Okay, let me tell you. So how long does SEO takes to see the result? Okay, so today's topic is all about what are the factors which determines to see the result from SEO, or what are the factors which determine how long you can see the result from SEO. Right, let me explain one by one. The first factor is your website's history. Okay, say there are two domains. One is a brand new domain and another one is an established domain. So the new domain will take much longer time to see the result than the established domain, because the established domain would have been definitely established some kind of authority and some kind of backlink over a period of time. Okay, so that is the reason your established domain will get more priority in SEO than the brand new domain, or brand new domain will take much longer time to see the result than an established domain, because brand new domain will not have any authority and you have to build the backlinks. The backlinks will not be there. So this is the reason the new domain will take much longer period than an established domain. So new domain, if you're doing SEO for a brand new domain, never expect the result anywhere less than 9 months. It will definitely take 9 to 12 months time to see the result if your domain is a brand new domain. And established domain also, it doesn't mean that you get high priority in terms of backlinks or authorities, because there are situations where so many people, so many domains would have been penalized, or it would have been gone against the webmaster, Google's, for example, Google's webmaster's policy. So these kind of domains, it will take longer time to get the result. Even if it is an established domain, if your website is already penalized for some reason, or if it has gone against the policies of the Google webmaster, you will see the result after much longer time. So if it is a brand new domain, ensure that you will get the result in 9 to 12 months time. Don't expect beyond that. Right. So this is your website's history. Second factor is the competition. Right. So there are keywords having lower competition. There are keywords having higher competitions. If you're doing SEO for the lower competition keywords, you may get the result much faster. If you're doing the SEO for the heavy competition keywords, it will take longer time. So if it is a low competition keyword, you may get a result from 4 to 6 months time. If your keyword is of high competition, right, you can see the result only 6 to 12 months time. So these are all the factors affecting your time period to see the result from SEO. So low competition domain, lesser time. Heavy competition domain, more time. Right, I'm sure this is clear. So competition is the second factor. What is the third factor? Third factor is your resources. You cannot control your website's history. You cannot control the competition, but you can control only one thing, that is the resources which you are using. Right, your resources for SEO. Let me tell you what is the main resource. Say there are people in the market, they have equal strategies like you, and there is the more important resource is your time. How much time you are allocating for SEO. You will have number of strategies and you will have number of processes to do, but it's all about how long you're allocating to execute the strategies for SEO. If a website allocate 4 hours in a week and a website allocate 8 hours in a week for the SEO, the website allocate 8 hours in a week for the SEO will get more result than 4 hours website. Right, it's all dependent upon how much time you allocate for SEO. Second most important thing is your strategy. Your competition also will have certain strategies. Your strategy should be it should be challenging them, and it should be more powerful than your competitor's strategy. Then only you will get the result. Otherwise your competition will win. So you should be a professional in SEO, and your strategies has to be very smart one, and it has to be advanced strategy to win the competition. So these are the 3 important factors which will affect your time period to see the result from SEO. Let me summarize. The first one is your website's history, and second one is the competition, and third one is your resources. So always have control on your resources and do it properly. You will see the result. But ensure 4 to 12 months time is the time period. 4 months, 4 to 6 months for low competition keywords and 6 to 12 months for heavy competition keywords. So I'm sure you understood. So my dear friends, I wish you a fantastic weekend. Take charge. Thank you.